2023 was a year full of challenges, but also of advances for Almirall R&D. Most importantly, we launched our biologics for atopic dermatitis, and we signed important collaborations that give us to novel technologies for the next generations of treatment for skin disease. Finally, we also advanced our pipeline. I'm sitting here with Özge Ulucan and Francesc Fernandez to take stock of the year 2023.
Thanks, Carl. What a year it has been to bring lebrikizumab to EU approval. Would you tell us a little bit more about that journey, please?
Sure, happy to do so. It all started by identifying lebrikizumab as a specific and selective inhibitor of IL-13, a central cytokine to the pathophysiology of atopic dermatitis. We then acquired the European rights of this product from a small company called Dermira that subsequently was acquired by Eli Lilly. So we had to deal with different partners from the get-go. When then the clinical data emerged, it was amazing to see that all of these data either met or exceeded our expectations. For example, 80% of patients suffering from atopic dermatitis that were included in some of our trials and for which their disease was well controlled after 16 weeks, maintained this level of control up to 52 weeks of treatment by just one monthly injection. We then overcome many challenges and were finally happy to get the approval in November 2023. And now we're extremely proud and happy to make lebrikizumab available to patients suffering from atopic dermatitis, first now in Germany, but then subsequently also in other European countries.
Thank you, Carl. Exciting times for the patients as well as for Almirall.
And Özge, I heard there are a number of interesting collaborations in discovery and also to further our disease understanding with academia. Can you tell us more about them, please?
Thanks, Francesc. Yes. In 2023, we were really busy expanding our pipeline and really trying to get all the capabilities we need to be able to do that. We have a standing collaboration with Evotec, which is a company that gives us access to integrated drug discovery to generate small molecules for 3 challenging targets. Recently, we signed a collaboration with Absci, an artificial intelligence-driven platform company to generate biologics or antibodies for targets that would be difficult to generate antibodies for using standard technologies. On top of small molecules and large molecules, we are also moving into new or novel modalities, such as mRNA and PROTACs. PROTACs are degraders, and we have a collaboration with Professor Chiuli's lab in the University of Dundee to find degraders for undruggable targets. And I'm very excited to say that we have recently signed a collaboration with Ecerna, a company that can deliver capabilities in mRNA and LNP technologies, our lipid nanoparticle delivery technologies. And we have learned a lot from mRNA and how versatile it is during our pandemic. And we are excited to see that we can hopefully bring novel therapeutics in non-melanoma skin cancers as well as other skin or severe skin indications. But as you know, Francesc, our main challenge in early discovery is novel target identification. And to be able to do that, we need to understand the diseases that we are working with. And in that aspect, we have set up various academic collaborations, one of them being with Professor Johan Gottjonsson in the University of Michigan. And we are happy to announce that we have actually just published one of our collaborations with him, looking at the pathogenicity of hidradenitis suppurativa at the single cell level.
Wow, very interesting. Congratulations for all the work.
To all of us.
Thank you, Özge. Truly amazing. Francesc, do you like to complement this? What you're doing in terms of collaboration in the data science area to further improve the drug discovery and development process?
Sure, Carl, happy to. As you know, this has also been a quite busy year for us. We have to start many activities, and among those activities, a number of collaborations. With respect to what Özge was saying, one of the critical points in R&D is identifying new targets, right? And to do that, we need to further understand how our diseases work, how diseases of interest work. In order to do that, what we did was start a new collaboration with the Barcelona Supercomputing Center here in Barcelona to understand how genetics plays a role into our indications of interest. So the idea is to characterize our patients better in terms of the genetics, so what genetic mutations are carrying that perhaps make them more prone to suffer the disease. And that allows us to better characterize our targets of interest. Another topic that we are quite focused on is artificial intelligence. As you know, Carl, is disrupting many areas in many businesses. And one of those areas is potentially design of new molecules. So we set up a new collaboration with the Barcelona Supercomputing Center and their first startup company called Nostrum Biodiscovery. So the focus of this collaboration is design of small molecules using generative artificial intelligence. The hope is after the 2-3 years that the collaboration will last, we will be able to develop our molecules much faster and hence increase the productivity in R&D.
Very, very nice, very good. So Özge will be very happy if this comes true. So thanks to both of you, Özge and Francesc, for those insights. So in conclusion, 2023 has been a year of many challenges, but also many advances in Almirall R&D. Thanks to the hard work and the professionalism of our team, we could not only launch new product, advance our pipeline, but also being able to pioneer potentially novel treatments for the patients suffering from skin diseases. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.